programming was to add object orientation to the C programming language, which is in itself one of the most powerful programming languages. Then they call the pure object-oriented programming is to create an object in code that has certain properties or methods. While designing C++ modules, we try to see whole world in the form of objects. For example, a car is an object which has certain properties such as color, number of doors, number of colors, the engine type, and the like. It also has certain methods such as accelerate, brake, and so on. Now, with this said, there are a few principal concepts that form the foundation of object-oriented programming, or if you want, OOP. Now, we have to know these concepts because we'll be often using them. The major one is the concept object. This is the basic unit of object-oriented programming. That is both data and functions that operate on data at bundles. As a unit, they are called an object. Then we have class. When you define a class, you define a blueprint for an object. This doesn't actually define any data, but it does define what the class name means. That is, when an object of the class will consist of, and what operations can be performed on such an object. Then there's the concept abstraction, which first providing only essential information to the outside world and hiding the above details. For example, to represent the needed information in program without presenting the details. Then there is the encapsulation, which is the placing of data and the function of the data in the same place. Then there is inheritance, which is one of the most useful aspects of OOP in code reusability. As the name suggests, inheritance is the process of forming a few class from an existing class that is from the existing class called base class. New class is formed called as derived class. Okay, now this is very important concept of OOP since the feature helps to reduce the code size. Then there's polymorphism, the ability to use an operator in different ways. Then there's the concept of overloading. It is a kind of a branch of polymorphism. When the existing operator function is meant to operate on new data type, we say that it is overloaded. Now,